Hi, I'm Dr. Stephanie Aisha Steplight Johnson, and I am very interested in urban farming. It really grows out of the fact that I loved playing in my family's yard when I was a child, and I loved planting seeds and watching them grow. And I loved biology and plant biology. And also, my family has land in North Carolina and also in Charleston. So, land ownership is very important in farming, and in particular, preserving farmland for families, especially for black families, and preventing land loss, particularly when it comes to the black farmer. And I learned a lot about land and land loss and urban farming when I lived in Michigan and worked at Michigan State University and worked in the College of Agriculture and Natural Resources there. And I became very involved with the Detroit Black Community Food Security Network, and also with farmers who were in Michigan who grew blueberries, for example. And I actually was able to get one farmer named Phil Gibson to start a Juneteenth celebration on his farm as a way to get people, especially people of color, to start thinking about their roots with the land, their connection with the land, and their human right to actually grow food on land. So it's very interesting when we can get intergenerations together and start sharing those stories about land. So working in Newark, New Jersey, which is next to East Orange, where I grew up, I became involved with Newark Science and Sustainability, which was founded by Tobias Fox. And I am very supportive of him. I really appreciate the work that he is doing to make sure that people are aware of opportunities to participate in urban farming, and also the fact that he includes the youth through his ambassador program. So whatever I can do to help people to start thinking about land and connecting with land and thinking about growing their own food, I want to do. I'm also very interested in African American history because that is my field, and I believe that it's very important to teach our youth and have our school systems participate, especially because we have the Amistad Commission, where we make sure that our youth, through their studies in school, know about African American history. And one person who is very relative to land is George Washington Carver. So I have a very significant interest in making sure that our young people know about him and see him as a scientist, as a chemist, as a botanist, as someone who is able to take the peanut and create various products from that, because it's very important for our youth to be able to see themselves in the STEM fields. So it is my pleasure to be able to continue supporting Tobias and supporting Newark Science and Sustainability.